If you're seeing a Blender Python syntax error, don't worry. This usually just means your code is written incorrectly somewhere, and in most cases it can be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to find the problem, understand what the error means, and correct it step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender fixes and software tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Blender and go to the scripting workspace. From there, you'll want to check the text editor and the console because that's where Blender usually shows the exact syntax error message. A syntax error means Python doesn't understand something in your script. That could be a missing bracket, a missing quote, or a wrong indentation. Even a small typo can stop the script from running, so the goal is to find the exact line causing the issue. When Blender shows an error, look carefully at the line number in the console. That line is your starting point. Don't just guess and change random parts of the script. Fix the exact line first because that is usually where the problem is coming from. One of the most common issues is missing brackets. For example, if you open a parenthesis or square bracket and forget to close it, Python will throw a syntax error. Another very common mistake is missing quotes. If you start a string with a quote and don't finish it properly, Blender will flag it as an error. Indentation is another big one. Python relies on spacing, so if a line is indented incorrectly, the script may fail even if the code looks almost right. Go line by line and compare your script carefully. If you copied code from somewhere else, recheck the formatting, because pasted code sometimes breaks spacing or removes characters. If needed, simplify the script temporarily and test smaller parts one at a time. That makes it much easier to find the broken section. Once you identify the mistake, correct it in the text editor, then run the script again in the console or by using the script execution option in Blender. If the error disappears, you fixed it. If not, go back to the next line shown in the console and repeat the process. The key is to be patient and check the exact error message because Blender is usually telling you where the issue is. So remember, a Blender Python syntax error usually comes down to missing brackets, missing quotes, or bad indentation. Check the console, fix the exact line first, and test again. That's the fastest way to solve it. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more Blender troubleshooting tutorials and quick fixes.